Hi mga ka-blooms! It's me, Pam, and welcome to my channel. Nako, today I'm so excited to share to you how to prepare a time-saving and effortless meals. Nako, I'm sure mga mommies matutuwa kayo, lalo na sa mga hindi marunong magluto. We don't have to wake up early in the morning like 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. just to prepare meals for our kids and family. This is my long time discovery years ago with the help of my best friend in the kitchen, the slow cooker. I've learned to use this when we stayed in the US. Diba, Americans are so busy every day, but they could still prepare their own meals. And this is what they are using. They call it the crock pot. My American friends taught me about it, and there are lots of slow cooker recipes available. I remember what they said. Just pop everything in and it will be cooked. Even you don't know how to cook, you will never go wrong with a slow cooker. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. I just want to share this to help our mommies in preparing everyday meals for their family. And I hope this could be a help to you. I made a compilation of all the meals that you could cook using the slow cooker. Very easy, very time-saving, very effortless. Kaya I'm sure you will be happy to know this. Watch the video until the end. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for you to always be updated to all our videos. Okay, so here it is, my best friend in the kitchen. So, nako, alam nyo, this makes my life so easy. I don't have to wake up very early in the morning. When my boys wake up, they already have food to eat, whatever time. And then, rice na lang, kulang. So, convenient. And this, I think this is more or less 4 years na sa akin to. 4 years, yeah, if I'm not mistaken. 4 to 5 years, mga ganon. But this is still working, and this is still running good. Still looks good. But, ito lang naging problem niya, itong side. Ito kasi merong hawakan na like this. You see this? Meron siya dito. Diyan. Kaso, yun na yung bumigay sa kanya. Naging na yung plastic yung handle niya, and siguro bumigay na siya, naging marupok na siya. Nung natanggal siya, nag-worry ako, naku, baka hindi ko na ito magamit. But, nung natanggal siya, tinry ko pa rin gamitin, but it's still okay, still working. Actually, ilang months na itong walang handle. But, this is okay, still functioning well. No? Still helping me a lot. This one is meatballs. Yan, nilagyan ko lang siya ng foil, and then just put all the meatballs there. And then just cover it and set it sa low. Kasi it's early pa naman. It's only 9 o'clock. So, tomorrow, siguro kahit mga 8 or 9, anytime tomorrow, luto na siya. Ito na siya. Yay! Ready to eat! Okay, like this, no? Beef tapa. So, kung tutuusin, you could prepare this naman in a very short time, no? Kasi, it's already cooked. So, ito-thaw mo lang siya. Ayan, i-cook mo na siya for 8 to 10 minutes. So, madali lang siya in fact. But, if you want na tomorrow, pagising mo, ready na to, pagising nila, may ready na silang food, then you could use our slow cooker. Okay, I will show you how you will do it. We will be needing aluminum foil. Again. Tama lang. And then we will just put it inside the slow cooker. No? So, yung tama lang ma-cover yung loob para ma-cover niya yung ating ilalagay na tapa. Okay? Okay, so ilalagay lang natin siyang ganyan. Kita nyo ba? Okay. So, ayan, diba? Frozen na frozen siya. And then, you just put aluminum foil. Ayan. And, just, okay, cover nyo. Siyempre, sasaksak natin. Hindi pa pala nasaksak. Of course, no? Huwag nyo kalimutang isaksak. Kung hindi siya maluluto. And tomorrow morning, meron ka ng prepare na ulam for the family. This one naman is beef. So, frozen pa siya nung nilagay ko. But, siguro I put it around mga 11 o'clock, ganon. And then, what time is it now? It's already 11 o'clock also. So, ilang hours? So, almost 12 hours na siya. Pero, look at that. Diba? Hindi siya sunog, ano? But, it's cooked, no? Wala ako nilagay na anything. But, tingnan nyo naman. O, para kang nag-roast ng beef, pero malambot siya. Tingnan nyo, how soft. Oh, soft. Ooh. Diba? So, that's the wonder of slow cooker. Wala akong nilagay na anything dyan. Salt and pepper lang. Pero nagkaroon siya ng juice, kita nyo. So, it was cooked by itself. And pwede rin for chicken wings. Ayan, fresh chicken wings pa yan. So, ito defrost na to. Pwede ring frozen, but medyo dadagdagan nyo lang yung cooking time. Maaga pa, ilagay nyo na dito para bago kayo matulog, hindi na siya frozen. So, pwede nyo na siyang paghiwa-hiwalayin before kayo matulog. Like this. So, kanina, inilagay ko siya earlier. After 1 hour to 2 hours, mahiwa-hiwalay ko na siya na ganito. So, spread lang natin na ganito. Magiging para siyang baked chicken wings or any part of chicken you could do that here. And then, after yung ganyan, pwede nyong lagyan ng salt. Ayan. Ayan, may salt na. Ayan, nagalaw-galaw lang po. Sorry. Okay, salt and pepper. You could also put dried basil or rosemary, ganyan. So, you could do anything you want sa chicken niyo. Cover it. Ayan. Okay, kanina naka-high siya. Ayan, naka-high. Kasi frozen pa siya kanina. So, ngayon na hindi na siya frozen, na set na natin siya, meron ng seasonings, we will set it na sa low. Para hindi siya masunog. So, kinabukasan, okay na siya, no? Anytime tomorrow, like, after 8 hours, pwede na siya kasi hindi naman siya frozen. You could also put rosemary, diba? Kung gusto nyo ng rosemary chicken, ayan, lagyan nyo lang ng rosemary, dried rosemary. So, I have here rosemary. Ayan. So, meron na kayong rosemary chicken tomorrow. O, diba? Ganun lang kadali, mga mamshies! Okay, so, it's 7 a.m. Tingnan natin kung anong... Ayan, oh, nakulangan na. May kulang na. Good. Diba? Lutong-luto siya. Tingnan natin yung ilaw. Ayan, buksan natin yung lights.
Kita nyo, ready to eat na siya at 7 o'clock. Kasi hindi naman siya frozen. Kaya mabilis siya naluto. Baked rosemary chicken wing. May nakakuha na. O, diba? Nakatikim na, nakakain na. Very convenient. Stress-free cooking. I put this 9 o'clock na gabi. So, ito na itsura niya. 9 o'clock na rin yun. Oh, that's how it is. Diba? Napaka-easy, convenient, and time-saving. Walang kahirap-hirap. Okay. May adobo ka na. You have chicken adobo. Paggising mo.
And if you have any request video you want us to do, just comment below and we will do that. See you for more slow cooker recipes. Till our next video. Bye!